Hello kids, how are you all doing? So I welcome you to a new math session. I hope you are understanding the 4-digit number concept and you are doing your sums properly in your book as well as in the copy. Okay kids, now today we are going to learn a new concept with 4-digit number, that is the place value, how to draw it on an abacus, and what's the place value of it and how to write the number in the expanded form. I think so some of the kids had a problem in the expansion also, that how to expand a number. So now today when I am going to explain, it is going to be more clear to you. Okay kids? So now let's start with today's class. Now kids, here you can see a 4-digit number which I have written. Come on, read along with ma'am. What is the number? 3512. If we read it with the number value, what it is going to be? 3512. Now this is the abacus. On top, ma'am is going to write the value. This is the value of ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now kids, you tell me, at the place of 1, what is the number over here? It is 2. So we are going to draw 2 beads on the abacus, 1 and 2. Now you tell me, what is the number at the place of tens? It is 1. So we are going to draw 1 bead. Now what's the number at the place of 100? It is 5. So we will be drawing 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what is the number at the place of 1000? It is 3. So we are going to draw 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to write this number in the place value. Here you can see there is a place value table which ma'am has drawn. Now you tell me that under ones, how many beads you can see? 1, 2. So you will write number 2. At the place of tens, how many beads is there? 1. So you will write number 1. At the place of 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are going to write 5. And what is the number at the place of 1000? 1, 2, 3. So this is the way kids, how you are going to write the place values in the tablet which is provided over here, as well as how you are going to draw the correct number of beads in the abacus. Now if you want to write the expanded form of this number of 3512, how are you going to write? First tell me, which number is there at the place of 1000? 3. So you are going to write 3000 plus, what is the number at the place of 100? 5. So you are going to write 500 which is the number at the place of tens? 1. 1 tens plus 2 ones. And if we write in the number form, how it is going to be? It is 3000. So how do you write 3000? 3. This is 3000. Now it is 500. So how are you going to write 500? Okay. Now it is 110. So how are you going to write 110? 1, 0. Makes 110. And at the the place of 1 it is 2. So you simply are going to write 2. Okay kids, now in your maths discovering book on page number 34, you have practice zone 5. You have to solve this practice zone. There are 4 sums which you have to write in the expanded form. I will show you example of one, then the rest 3 you have to do on your own. Let's see how much you have got them. Now what is the first one? It is practice zone 5. Sum number A, which is 3254. That's now how we are going to write the expanded form. Okay, see how ma'am is writing, is equal to 3000 plus, what is at the place of 100? It is 2. Very good. Kids, you remember the rule which I taught you all, that whenever there is a number, just write place value above it. So you never forget that the number is at place value of 4. So come on, let's write a small O, tens, hundred and thousand. So that we know what's the place value. Okay. Plus 200. Plus 5 tens, plus 4 ones. Now how are you going to write it? Yes, 3000 plus 200 plus 5 tens and plus 4 ones. So kids, you got it how you have to write the expanded form? You have to write like this. First you have to write the number, then you have to solve it in this manner in your maths copy. Practice zone 5. I will be sending you the image. Okay kids? Okay kids, after you finish doing practice zone 5, then you have to open your my observation book, page number 1414. In this, you can see that count the correct number of beads and then write the number shown on the abacus and what is the number. There are 2 columns which you have to fill. Okay, so I have drawn sum number A and sum number B on the board. I will show you how you have to solve this, and rest sums you have to solve it in the workbook itself. You have to do page number 14 and page number 15. Okay, so ma'am will show you how you are going to solve this sum. Now this is the abacus which is given and there are beads drawn in it. Now you have to count the correct number of beads on the place value, given place value, and you have to write that number in the table which is provided at the side. Now let's start with sum number A. Now you can see at the place of ones there is no beads drawn. So what are you going to write? If there is nothing drawn, if there are no beads at one particular place value, then what is going to come? Yes, a 0. Now let's move on to place value at tens. How many beads you can see kids? 1. So you will write here 1. Now at the place of 100, 1, 2, 3. So you are going to write your number 3. Now kids, at the place of 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what the number you have got, 5310. So this number you are going to write over here, 5310. Now we move on to the second sum, that is sum number B. Now let's count the correct number of beads at place of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are going to write number 8. Now at the place of tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also you are going to write number 8. Now at the place value of 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you are going to write number 9. Now at the place of 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So kids, after counting the beads at the place value, this is what we have got the digits. 9,988. So what is the number you are going to write here? 9,988. So kids, I hope you got how you have to count the beads and how you have to write the place values. If you have any queries related to this, kindly ask me in the query class which we have it on Saturday. Okay kids, now it is enough for today. You have to do exercise practice zone in your Discovering Maths book, and you have to do page number 14 and 15 in your observation book. Now kids, we will meet in our next maths session class. Till then, you take good care of yourselves. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.